Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TP-Link router admin step by step clearly. To start, connect your computer or device to the TP-Link router. You can do this using an Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the correct network. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for the TP-Link router. Common default IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. The login page for the TP-Link router will load. You will see fields for the username and password. If you haven't changed these, enter the default credentials. The default username is usually admin. The default password is also generally admin. If you're unable to log in, check the label on your router for the correct details. After entering the credentials, click on the Login button. You should now be directed to the TP-Link router's admin panel. Once logged in, you can configure various settings. Be sure to change the default password for security. This completes the login process to your TP-Link router admin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.